Hello everyone, Captain Spidey Fist here, and this is a review of the e-Pioneer electric scooter. Now, it's under the scooter classification on the website, but it does have pedals, so legally it's an electric bike, so you will still be able to ride it everywhere that you can ride electric bikes. And what we wanted to do this time, seeing as this is our third electric bike, is we wanted a bike that could accommodate 2 passengers, as well as something that was a little bit bigger and something that was a little bit more comfortable for a longer ride. So without further ado, we're going to get right into the review.
Okay guys, we've got it all put together, and it took a little bit of time, and there are no instructions on it. Okay, we looked online, we couldn't find anything, so you just kind of gotta figure it out yourself. If you get one of these and you're trying to put it together and you can't figure out how things go, don't you worry. You just send me a message, comment on this video, and I can help you to put together. The 2 hardest things were the pole that goes in here and the pole that goes in here to hold your seat and your handlebars in place. You're going to need to make sure that you have a Allen key, and you're going to need to make sure, I think maybe it was a 12mm.
And I got it.
Yeah, you got the keys, buddy. Yeah, so I think it was a 12mm for in here, and it is a long socket, okay, for right in here. So make sure that you have that. Make sure that you have it on hand whenever you start putting the bike together. You do got to put the front brake assembly together. You're pretty much just going to shove that into the rim of the bike, and then you put on like the little front fender. You're going to put on the seat. You're going to put on the rear thing. We have ridden this thing already a whole lot, and we're going to take it on another ride, and I'm going to throw my phone on here and I'm just going to record the ride. Maybe get a couple minutes worth of footage for you so that way you can see the ride that we take. But this thing is absolutely sick. I'm gonna have Tim hold the camera for a second. Here, bud, you want to hold this? Give me the keys. And what I'm going to show you is down here we actually have like a maintenance stand. So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you that right here the bike is not very steady on the kickstand. Maybe if it's something real quick that you're doing, the bike's not real steady, but all you got to do, the bike is light enough, you're just going to hold this right here, pick it up, put your foot on, and you put that stand there, and now it's stable enough. Tim, go ahead and climb on up there. It's stable enough that Tim can climb on with no problem. He can climb all over the bike, and he's not going to have any issue. It is a very big back seat. It's going to come with these little Pioneer e-bikes. But this is our e-Pioneer.
Like, can I show up this handle?
Yeah, show him the handle. This is what he likes to hold on to. They can hold on to you, they can hold on to the thing. The battery is removable. You just got to take this plug off, you got to pull this out, and that little thing will come on out. You can charge it. You can lock your seat here. You can lock the bike back here. You take your keys out. Then there's actually a little slot back here where you can turn off and lock it, okay? It does have a alarm on it, so if he were to move around too much, which we don't want him to, we don't want the alarm going off, but if he were to move around a lot, it does have a very loud car alarm, and it's going to come with your little clicker here in order to turn it off. All in all, this thing is awesome.
Awesome.
We got up to I think it was 21, 22 miles an hour on it. It is in kilometers per hour, but all in all, this thing is so awesome. This is enough room for you to put your feet. I was a little curious about it at first. I thought maybe they wouldn't be able to hold on to the pedals, but yeah. Okay, buddy, you ready to take this thing for a spin?
Yep.
All right, let's get to riding.
So, the bike comes equipped with some pretty good features, such as a decent suspension system and 2 side-mounted mirrors, which can help to see what's behind you. Personally, if I want to see directly behind me, I kind of got to lean out of the way because of where the mirrors are positioned, but I can see what's to either side of me behind me very easily. They're pretty decent mirrors. It has a headlight and a tail light, and while the headlight isn't super bright, it does a decent job of letting everyone ahead of you know that you're there, as well as whenever you turn on that headlight, it activates a tail light, which is going to make it legal for you to ride at night. It also has rear-mounted turn signals, which my only problem with those is that they don't also have a front-mounted, so you're probably going to still need to perform your hand signals as normal for anyone who's ahead of you, as well as whenever you turn on the turn signal, as it blinks, it gives you this like very annoying noise, like this real annoying beep. But that's really one of my only cons for the bike. I really do enjoy this bike. We really like riding it, and I'm very happy with my purchase. And I hope this video helped you. If it did, please like and subscribe. I'm Captain Spidey Fist, and I'm out of here.